Today I'm going to show you how to enable ad location information to your posts in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting, but it can be really useful if you want your posts to include location details when you share them. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media tips and guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to turn this feature on. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar. You should see the More option near the bottom. Click on More to open the full menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and safety settings. After that, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains the settings related to how your account shares information and how your activity is handled. Next, look for location information and click it. This is the area where you can control whether X is allowed to use and add location details to your posts. Once you open that section, you'll see an option called Add Location Information to your posts. Now simply toggle on Add Location Information to your posts. Once that switch is enabled, your post can include location information according to your account settings and device permissions, and that's it. You've now enabled location information for your post on X. It only takes a few seconds, but it can change how your posts appear and what information is attached to them. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.